Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video to say thank you. Over the past few days since the beginner's journey launched, I've been reading a lot of your comments and your messages, and honestly, I didn't expect this kind of response. A lot of you shared that you've always wanted to learn piano properly, but you either didn't know where to start, or you tried before and felt stuck. And reading those messages felt very familiar to me. When I was learning piano, I always felt there was this gap between playing songs and actually understanding what I was doing. You can memorize pieces, follow tutorials, copy YouTube videos, but deep down you still feel unsure. That's actually the main reason I created the beginner's journey. Not to make another flashy piano course, but to build something that feels safe, structured, and realistic for adults. Something that doesn't assume you're a child prodigy. I think a lot of adult piano learners quietly feel like maybe I'm just bad at piano, or maybe it's too late for me. But most of the time, let me tell you that it is not about talent. It's just that no one ever gave you a clear path. And the beginner's journey is my attempt to give you that path. If you ever felt confused, discouraged, or overwhelmed at the piano, this course was literally designed for you. I do want to mention something important though. The beginner's journey is closing soon. Doors will close on the 30th of January, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And after that, I'll be taking it down for a while just so that I can concentrate on the students inside this course. So if you've been watching from the sidelines and you feel like maybe this might actually help me, then I'd encourage you to take the step now. Not because you need another course, but because you deserve to learn piano in a way that actually makes sense. Whether you join the beginner's journey or not, thank you for being here, for watching my videos and trusting me in your learning journey. It genuinely means a lot to me. And if I see you inside the course, I'll be really excited to guide you step by step. See you really soon.